Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is an extremely clear pattern on the monthly. A, three waves down. B, and I think this is a wave C. I think this is a subdivision of wave C. One of C, two of C, and we're currently in a 3 of C, which I still think needs to take out the high of the wave A. Then I think it's going to make a wave 4, and then I may think it's going to make a wave 5, which all this information tells me we're probably anywhere from 6 months to a year before this wave C is actually over, which I think is going to end around the 204 area, potentially even higher than that. Going down to the weekly time frame, I mean, for me, there's definitely no sign that this is over. I think it needs to take out this high right here, which is the high of wave A. Then maybe I could potentially see us going short a little bit because I think it would possibly make a big wave 4, which would probably last several months, and then go up for a wave 5. But for now, I definitely think we're in a wave 3, and I definitely think we need to continue to trade with the trend on shorter time frames. Heading down to the daily time frame, I think we have the end of an ABC right here. I do think that we are trending up. We are back at a fib level, but I honestly don't think that fib level is going to hold. I mean, these fib levels are going to be areas of resistance, but I don't really think any of them are going to hold. They might just be areas where we get a pullback, which pullbacks are really nothing to fear. They're actually great news for trend traders because that gives us an opportunity to go long at the end of every single pullback we see. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is an ABC right here. Then I think we have a little bit of an overlapping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have another ABC. Kind of almost looks like it's making almost like an ending diagonal wave 5 or something, but either way, until we get some sort of break or structure to the downside, I am definitely looking for longs. We are at a fib level, which could cause a little bit of resistance, but I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to break these highs, and I think it's going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I know one thing is I wouldn't try to go short right now, and I definitely wouldn't try to go long. I am holding longs on some yen pairs, but I wouldn't try to get in any new longs. If anything, because we do have a little bit of a triple top, maybe even quad top going on right here at this fib level, maybe it will make a pullback. It's already made a pullback a few times at this fib level, so I think most of the liquidity is already taken up, which tells me it might just make a little pullback and it might just keep on trending up. Like I said, I personally am looking for longs at every single pullback I see. I'm not trying to go short, and I'm not really trying to go long now unless it does make a pullback, which is no guarantees that it even will make a pullback as of now. If it does make a pullback, I will definitely be ready to go with another long opportunity. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.